recording. Okay. Thank you. Thank you. Okay, so registry, right? Let's understand what registry and a discovery server, guys. Okay, let's understand what. Let's understand those point only we are understanding, guys. Okay, point only we are understanding. Every things brief description. What brief description is there, guys? Okay, don't worry about that. Okay, so just because until unless if I'm not able to create in your mind, right? What is the discovery server? What is the microservices? And what is the like what Eureka server, and what is that what API gateway? Until unless if I'm not introducing these things, if I start also, no one can will understand. No one can under, if the person having little bit experience, those people can understand, but who's the like totally blind, right? Those people will not understand. So okay guys, so register
Register and
and what
discover.
discover. Register and what discover, right? Register and what discover. It is what register, what register and what this part I'm explaining, what this part now, guys. Okay, I'm
This
explaining
is a
what this part. So register and a discover, register and a discover, it is a memory that hold what all detail, that hold what, it is a memory only, guys. Okay, this is the memory that hold all information at the time of what creating this diagram also I said, right? So it is a what memory that hold all details of what every microservices instances as a service instance format, service instance format. And this one is given by whom? This
service
registry,
instance format.
this registry and discover what memory is given by whom? Netflix has provided. That is a software name, guys. Okay, that is a software name called what? Eureka server. The software name is what? Eureka server. But vendor is what? Our Netflix. Our Netflix vendor is given what? Eureka server, right? Eureka server. In the Eureka server, what? In the Eureka server, one memory is there. That memory name is what? Register and what? Discover. Come on, guys. Too much noise is happening in the session. I don't know.
Yes, yes. Please mute yourself, everyone.
I don't know why the people are not maintaining the discipline in the session. One minute, I will see that. 1 minute, give me some time, guys. I will observe their mic, okay? And where the mic noise will happen, I will remove that person from the group, from the meeting. Two people are unmuted, right? Okay, only one. Because if the person is not able to maintain discipline, then no need to live in the group, right? One person, if one person is there, that person is serious, that's enough. Okay, I think only one person is there, right? Iswar. And from here side, okay, let's remove him. Let's remove him because only one person is there, right? In the session, noise is happening from here in this person only. Yeah, I removed him, guys. I removed him. Okay, leave it. No need, guys. No need. If the person is not able to maintain discipline in the session, leave it. Okay, good. Yeah. So here what? Registry and the discovery server is what? Memory, right? Memory. It is what? It is a. It is. It is. It is a memory.
It is
It is memory. It is memory that hold what? That hold.
all all the
That
sub
hold.
all the
That holds all inf details. Details of what? Details of what? Every what? Microservices. Microservices
Yeah.
instance. Microservices what? Microservices instance.
Instances.
Yeah, instances. Instances, right? Instances. Fine. Okay. Okay. So as what? As a service. As what? As a service. Service instance. Service instance. You guys want to okay, I'm giving what? Normal like how in the real life, normally I'm just comparing registry server. Okay, just I'm comparing this registry server. Okay guys, just observe it. Okay, one student is there, right? One student is there, just one student is there.
Okay, Ravi.
Okay, this student went to school.
Okay, Ravi.
This school went sorry,
School.
this student went to school. Okay, and he meet to one what? He meet to one what? Teacher. He meet to one teacher, right? Okay, no issue. Okay, he meet to one teacher, and then what will happen now? Teacher will take what? One register, and he will write all detail about what? All detail about what? This student. What is that? Name.
Student.
Name, and what is that? Father name.
Roll number.
Father
Roll.
name. Father name, and what? Father name, and what? DOB, date of birth, and what is the gender? Gender, and what? Mobile number, right? Mobile number. Like what? This information,
Number.
this information gathering by whom? Gathering, right? Gathering. Who's the gathering? Teacher, right? And where that teacher is writing now? In the register only, right? Come on.
Yes,
In the register, right? In the register, right? So he's entering the detail in the register or not, guys? He's entering the detail in the register, right? Student detail only, right? Student detail, right?
Yes, Ravi.
Yes, Ravi.
Okay, so who's the handling this register now, guys? Who's the handling this register? Come on. Teacher, right? Teacher.
Yes.
Teacher, right?
Teacher can have.
Teacher is handling this register. Okay, so same like, guys. Okay, so same like. Okay, so register is what? Memory, na? Where we are storing the data about what? Student. That is what? Memory. Register is what? Register is what? Memory. And where all information is all information is there about what? This student, na? Come on.
Student.
Student, right? So same
Yeah. In this register, we stored all the details related to the student.
Student, right? So same way here. What is that? Just assume that these are the microservices, guys. Okay, these are the what? These are the microservices, our project, and all details related to this project handled by whom? This registry and the discover.
Okay, Ravi.
Got it the point?
Ravi,
Yes.
Yes, Ravi. Can we say that all microservices build on one place, which is provided by Eureka server, right?
No, this is no. All microservices, I said that at the time of explanation. This one is running in different machine. This one is running in different machine, and this one is running in the different machine. And we are integrating these all project using what? Using what? Eureka server. Eureka server is nothing but what? Registry discover.
Yes. So from where we can test our API, right?
Sorry.
So from where we can test every API. That API is working.
We will test it. We will test it. Don't worry. Okay. Just understand all modules. We will
Yeah.
test it. Okay.
Yeah, yeah.
Here itself only, if I
Okay.
explain it also, then the
No,
right
no,
place in
just
the
no,
question is correct. Question is correct, but the place is not right.
okay.
Okay, I
Yeah,
will
yeah.
explain because
Just
of
I'm
that
asking
only.
Ravi, actually.
Yes,
Yeah.
yes, yes, yes. What is the name? I forget.
Okay, Ravi.
Yeah,
Thank you.
Satish, right?
Satish family.
Yeah.
Yeah, Ravi.
Yes, Satish. Okay, don't worry. The time is not right. Okay, your question is right, but time is not right.
Time will
That's
come,
fine.
everything will know.
Yeah. So okay, so instances. Okay, so okay, you want to see that how our registry server is what handling that details. Just assumption I'm giving, guys. Okay, assumption, and whenever we will do the practical, we will see that. Okay, little bit may clarity will come about your question,
Yeah, yeah.
Satish. Just observe it. Okay, so this is what this is the
Yeah,
Yes, Ravi.
clearly
That's
understood,
what I
bro.
got.
okay, so this is the registry server, guys. Okay, this is just assumption registry. This is the register is there, right? That is what service instance. All service instance is handled by this register server. Registry memory, right? So
Yes, yes, Ravi, yes, Ravi.
service instances. Service instance, right? Service instance. So just normally whenever we are running our last time project, guys, okay, but in the registry server, what is that? What kind of information will be there? That is load balancer only. That is the load balancer server, right? What is that? Service ID. Service ID. Service what? ID will be there, right? And what is that? Instance ID will be there. And what is that? In which host, right? Host, what is the host number, right? Host number means what? IP address. And in which port, right? In which
Yes.
port? In which port our application is running? And what is that? Load factor. What is the load factor? Load balancer I'm giving, guys. Okay, load balancer internal things I'm giving, how it's working now. Everything will come front of you whenever we will do the practical. Whenever we will do the practical, the things will come, don't worry. But what? Just assume that what is that? The module project. Our project is what? Search project. Our search application, right? Our search application is running in what? The instance ID is what? Instance ID, just any number I'm giving, guys. Okay, I also don't know what is the randomly our server will give now, but I'm assuming this number, right? 25. And host ID just what I'm giving, 192.168.168.12.6. Okay, this is the IP this is the IP address. And the port number, in this port number this application is running 8060 and what? 0 and 200. Load factor capacity I'm telling, right? Load factor capacity, I'm not talking about that load factor range, guys. Okay, range is 0, between 0 to 1, between the things will be there, right? But I'm talking about that what? Load capacity. Okay, so the one instance is running, right? One instance is running in what? One server. So again what? Same things. Okay, search module is running in another server also, right? Same search module is running in what? Another server also. Three times this what? Three times what? Search application is running in 3 different server. Okay, good. So here the number is different. Now number is different, right? IP address also will be different, because this is if the both are running in different machine, right? And even port number also different. So just here I'm giving what? Here I'm giving just any number, right? 9595840. Let's give this one. And IP address is what? what is the 1 2, let's give 1 2 1 168 and 1 0 1, give 0 1 0 1. Okay, now here also, right, 6 2 6 2 4 5 4, anything, any ID I'm giving, right? So here the same again, 192 168 1 1, give. Okay, so these force and port number at a time in a single application, right? At a time in a single machine, two application cannot run in a single port, guys. Or can run, come on, run or not?
Cannot run.
No, no,
Cannot,
no.
cannot, right? So because of that, 6568. Okay,
Never possible.
yeah. So now 89 8089, give. Okay, this is the different port number, right? So like this is the internal, right? Internally in the Eureka registry, the information will store, guys. Okay, internally like this information will be stored inside where? Inside that register and a discover memory. Inside that what? Register and a discover memory. And that is nothing but what? All those is nothing but what? Service
What you said.
instances. All those is nothing but what, guys? Service instances. Come on.
Yes, Ravi.
Okay, so
Said it.
Yes, Ravi, yes.
okay, so now another one is, let's understand what this one on. Let's understand config server. Let's understand what config server. So this is the third, right? Config server is third, right?
Yes, Ravi.
Yeah.
Third
Config
one, yes.
server. Okay, config server, fine. So it is a common place, right? Common place for what? All key and value. We are storing the data like what? Information in what? Property file as a key and value only, right? Come on.
Yes. Yes, Ravi.
Yes.
Guys, these things we learn already in what? Spring Boot core module, as well as what?
Yes, Ravi, yes.
Many places we learn. At least whatever you guys know the things, right? Please respond for those things, okay? At least give the response for that one only.
Sure,
Okay,
Ravi,
Ravi.
sure.
Okay, config server, right? Okay, so we are storing, if the property file, in the property file, how we are writing the things, guys? Okay, in the key and value format only, right?
Yes, Ravi.
So just normally guys, normally, right? Normally if we want to connect, right? If we want to connect, okay, if we want to write a common property about all microservices, then we will use what? Config server, and those things we will store in the key and value format, right?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, Ravi. Yes.
So like what? Database connection and what? Pooling key and caches, all those things we will write those things we will write in what? Config server itself only. Okay, so but what git location are used? We will use what? For that to write that property, we will use what? GitHub, there we will write that property. So just normally what it is what? Common. It is commonplace. It is commonplace for what? Commonplace for what? All key and what? Value which can be shared with what? With all microservices. With what? All microservices. And like what? Example database connection. Example what? Database connections property. Example what? Database connection properties. And what? Pooling concept. We will use what? Pooling information, right? Pooling property. pooling
Connection.
property we will write inside that what server configuration. We will learn this one also, we will learn this one also, and we will use also, right? We will use it also. And that location is what we will use, the location where we will write that property in git location. In git location we will use, guys. Okay, in the git location that property we will store and we will use it. So now another one is what, one more module is left, right? One more module is left. Which one is what? Circuit breaker, right? Circuit breaker. Circuit breaker. Okay, so third, right? Fourth module. Fourth one is what? Circuit breaker.
Circuit breaker.
Circuit breaker or what? Hystric dashboard. Hystrix, right? Hystrix.
Breaker, Ravi.
Okay, if there is a condition, right? Condition exception occurred, guys. Okay, so just normally, guys, just let's we understand one ATM machine I'm taking, right? Okay, this is the ATM machine, right? ATM machine. Here if this is the ATM machine, okay? This is what? ATM machine. ATM machine. Okay, so here what will happen now? One person is coming. One person
Like
is
is
coming.
pro.
So just one person is coming. He want
Like
money. He want money, right? But what? The server is down. The ATM machine server is down. So he is getting one message, right?
like that again.
Server is down, right? He's getting the response, server is down. Then just now one more person, because why no, server is not down. Just what, some issue is came, because of that what, because of that what, the money is not debited, right? So like he's getting that error messages, right? That error messages. So for that, so again another person also came. He is also getting the same error. Another person also getting, he is also getting the same, right? Same messages, right?
Like different
So
instance.
so how we can handle this kind of situation, guys? Anyone can tell the answer? Use the chat box. Use the chat box. I want to see that how the people can analyze, right? Analyzation I want, guys. Based on your analyzation, I will drill the subject.
Ask the question again, Ravi.
The question is what? If like if the one person is coming, right? He's using the ATM because of like some issue. The ATM is not working. He's getting the same, like just what is that? Just take server. Server is down, right? Server is down. He's getting this message only. So first time one person is came and he's using that ATM, and what? So to stop, what is that? To give the proper execution of what? ATM logic. So for that purpose, what kind of things we are using in the coding terminology? Try catch block. Is it right,
Yes,
question?
Ravi. Yes, we will provide the exception.
And we
We will provide the customized exception.
No, so for that, right? For the sometimes same error, same messages we are getting, right? So same messages we are getting for the sometime, right? For the sometime, for the seconds or minutes or hours, we will stop
The
that.
request
What
will go
we
to the same
we
server.
will
So
stop
same
that.
responsibility.
We will stop that
Um,
execution. We will stop that execution. And what is that? For the while time, right? Means what? 10 minute, 1 hour, like we will stop those things, right? We will stop those things. Means what? We will stop that service. We will stop that service, and we will give one messages. And between what? Between one messages, we will trigger to whom? Admin, this ATM is not working properly. Please see what is the issue. So then admin people will what? Resolve that issue. Until unless they will not resolve that issue, right? This ATM will not continue. For that means what? If any issue occurred, right? Any issue occurred between what? At the working time, then to handle, right? To give the proper way and what? To resolve that to resolve the service means what? For that purpose we are using what? Circuit breaker. For that purpose only we are using the circuit breaker. If there is a condition exception occurred, right, in a service instances, then stop service for a few seconds, few minute, few hour, right, few hour, and show messages to end user service not responding. Try after some time, right? And what in between, what admin people will come and they will resolve this issue. For that purpose we are using what? For that purpose we are using what? Circuit breaker.
Circuit breakers.
Yeah.
Okay. Understood, Ravi.
Okay, good. So now if there is what condition, sorry, continuous exception.
If there is a continuous exception
occurs in a what? In a service
yes, service.
instance, then stop service, right? Stop service for few second or few minute or what? Few hours etc. Right? So for in between we will give the end user one message, like just what is that message? We will give some messages like what? Service not responding. Try
After some time.
sometime, right? Like this we will give the message to end user, right? So for that purpose we are using what? Circuit breaker in what? Microservices, right? Microservices. Okay, so now good. So one more component is left, right? So that component is what? Routing, right? Sorry, API gateway. Let's understand this module also. Let's understand what? This module. This one is what? Fifth, right? This one is what? Fifth.
API gateway.
Yeah, API gateway, fifth module. Okay, so API gateway. Why I'm writing, guys? Okay, why I'm writing? Because I will share this document to you. Okay, it's a need, guys. Okay, because of that I'm writing. Why I'm writing? Otherwise, I can explain it. So it's a need, guys. Okay, if
Ravi, it will.
if you guys are forgetting any
I hope
component also, right? Any component also, right? Then it will become
just we
horrible
will
for
check
that
this
purpose.
document.
API
It will
gateway.
so much helpful in our career, bro.
Gateway, right?
Okay, right.
Gateway.
Gateway.
API gateway.
Correct, right? Gateway. GETEWAY, right? Not a EY. Correct, na? Spelling is correct.
AY.
Gateway, right?
GATE. Yeah, GATE. GA, bro.
GA. GATEY.
Yeah, bro.
GETEY.
GATEWAY, bro. Gateway.
Yes.
Yeah. Yes, bro.
1 minute.
Carry on.
ऐसा होत नहीं कि
1 minute. Let's check it.
लायक का बात समझ नहीं होती है जाहिल बीए से शादी होता तो ठीक सेटल हो जाता बेबी दे ना मास्टर है वो टेनो नहीं कर तब वो बान चला इथी बान अब कॉन्फिडेंट लैक ऑफ इथी थोड़ी बा लेकिन तोरा में इथी बा कि ना एडवांस दिया था ही दिया था वो भी है ना
What we are.
एमसीए भी है तोर बीसीए भी है प्राइवेट कंपनी में जॉब बाद में करेंगे स्किल सीख के जॉब कर ली
API gateway. This is the correct spelling, guys. Okay.
Yeah.
GATEWAY, right?
W.
Yeah, bro.
Correct. Okay, good. So fine. So this one is this Joule, right? Joule API using what? Joule. Okay, so this must be a single entry point, right? Why we are using the API gateway? To enter in our project, right? To enter entering only one route only will be there, guys. Okay, only one route. Based on only one route, what is that? Our request will enter in what? Enter in what? In our microservices. So for that purpose, we are using what? API gateway. API gateway. So okay, good. So there must be a single entry and exit point that support what? Load balancer dynamically using what? Routing. Using routing, like using API gateway. What kind of things we can implement, guys? Okay, so like what? Security concept, filter, etc. Those things if we want to implement in our what? Microservices, we need what? API gateway. API gateway. And if we want to give what? Only one way, only one route to enter in our what? Microservices, to what? Use microservices project. So for that purpose, we are using what? API gateway. So there we can say what? There must what? Must be a single entry and what? Exit point. Exit point that support
So
load balancer as a what? A dynamic routing.
that query will work because JSON.
Dynamic routing.
Not like that.
Like what? Security. If you want to implement what? Security. Security or filter, etc. These things if you want to implement, for that purpose we are implementing what? Gateway. We are using what? Gateway and API gateway. And this one we will use what? Joule proxy server. For that purpose we will use what? Joule proxy server. This one also working like you can say what? In the front controller in what? Spring Boot, right? In Spring Boot front controller, right? Come on, you can compare but not full. You can compare API gateway with what? Our front controller, but what? Fully not. Clear?
Oh, yeah,
Okay.
yeah.
Yes,
Okay.
Ravi, clear. Yeah.
Okay,
clear.
good. So good. Now, so another one more, right? Equator also left, right? This one also is there, right? Admin service, right? Admin service. Like what? Equator. Why we are using the Equator in our project, microservices project? Okay, now 6.1, right? This is the 6. Okay, so this is the message queue.
Single entry.
No. Equator, right? Equator with what? Admin UI, right? UI. Okay.
TUA,
ATOR, right? Correct, na?
Yes, sir. Correct.
Okay.
Yes, Ravi, correct.
Actuator, right? Actuator. So the like what? Actuator. What is the use of actuator, guys? Actuator, just what? Actuator is what? Whatever property we are using, right? In the Git, it's monitoring that property is what? Loaded or not. Further, this project object is created or not. Those information will store in what? Though if we monitor those information, then we need what? Actuator. Come on.
Accurate.
Yeah, like what?
Accurate.
Object creation. object creation of application, property loaded or not, logging detail, right? Whatever logging detail, this logging detail, right? Those logging detail is what, if we want to see, for that purpose we are using what, actuator. And health checkup of what, our project, for that purpose we are using what, actuator. Information and what, heap, information and what, heap size, if we want to see that what heap is full, still how much left, right?
Bro.
Those information, if we want to see that, for that purpose we will use what, what, actuator. And what, if we want to,
Actuator.
if we want to what, a thread detail means what, a request capacity in what, from the discovery server, those detail if we want, for that purpose we will use what, actuator. Clear? Just normally
Yes, Ravi.
to,
Yes,
to
please.
just normally to view all detail of what project, to view all detail of what project, so for that purpose we are using what, actuator. So just normally guys, okay, to view production ready endpoint. Endpoint is nothing but what, is nothing just what, is nothing but what, to view all details, right? To view all details like what, like object created or not in application, right? Like what, property is loaded or not, property is loaded or not, property properties loaded or not, right? Logging information, logger details, and yeah, this much only, logger detail. Okay, this information if we want to monitor, so for that purpose we are using what, actuator, right? Actuator. Okay, good. So another module also left, right? Which one module, which one? MQs, right? MQs, we will implement MQs using what, Kafka only, right? Kafka. So MQs, continuous data flow, right? Continuous, just what, just anytime anyone used what, Swiggy or what, our Zomato, all those things, kind of things. Anyone, anytime
Yes,
anyone,
Ravi.
give the response, guys, otherwise how I can explain?
Yes, Ravi.
Yes, Ravi,
Yes.
we used.
Yeah. So guys, whenever you guys are booking, right, whenever you guys are booking, like just what, any food, so after booking that in your phone, right, every time you're what, you are getting the messages, right? Your like parcel is booked, sorry, your parcel is dispatched, your parcel is reaching to your current location, like that messages continuous, you guys are getting the messages,
Yes,
sir.
Ravi.
right? Nah?
Yes, Ravi.
Observe those
Yes,
things
Ravi.
also.
Sometimes,
Correct.
You guys are observing or not in your phone, right? Your parcel is reached to your place, now packed, like this messages.
packing.
Yeah, right.
Yes, Ravi. Yes.
Yes, Ravi.
Yes.
So those concept, if you want to implement those concept in our project, so for that purpose only we are using what, MQs. MQs is nothing but what, message queues. So continuous data flow, if you want to implement in your project continuous data flow, for that purpose what we are implementing now, guys, message queue, and we will use the tool Apache Kafka. So 6 7, right? 7. Okay, 7 is what, seventh one is what, message